welcome to Cosplay and Coffee. I swear I have more mugs than this, but this is just my go-to because... So Aquaman comes out next week, or by the time you're watching this, it's coming out this week, or it's probably already come out. But because of that, I keep seeing Aquaman trailers like on a daily basis, and I keep seeing a ton of Mera cosplays on the Instagram. I actually would have preferred to do an Aquaman cosplay, like a gingerbread, but I just didn't have time because I would have wanted to do armor and the Triton, prop build, and all this stuff, and I just get too excited. So I decided to go for Mera instead. Now, if you've seen my other reviews, you know that I've gotten my other suits from Zentai Zone, which I think in my review I kept saying Zentia Zone. Oops. And the RPC Studio, which is where most cosplayers, I think, get their suits from. But then I thought, how are Amazon's cosplay suits? If you've seen my other Amazon cosplay review, I had bought a Sub-Zero cosplay off of Amazon, which needed some modification. So I was wondering how well this would act as kind of a base piece or just like a simple cosplay. And so I decided to order this so I could review it for you guys and let you know how it is as kind of a base piece. And I decided that if I liked it, I would keep it and like add the armor and the crown and probably do some props and things like that. So this was about $65-ish off of Amazon. And I have Amazon Prime, so it came in, I think, 2 days, like it's supposed to. So normally I would like to keep this for a while and, you know, wear it to a convention and things like that, so that I can give you like a solid review of how it is wearing it out and about and things like that. But I didn't really have time, so I'm going to give you a breakdown of what I like, what I don't like. Yeah. So I'm going to show you some video of what I shot when I initially put this on and my initial thoughts. Wow, don't look at my bathroom. Okay, so I just put this on and I thought it was going to be a nightmare and that I would hate it. This is the first time I'm wearing it and I freaking love it. It looks a lot darker in this mirror for some reason, but this is really comfortable. It is so stretchy. These things are kind of weird. Like, but I also love these thumb things, so I don't know. It's kind of weird, right? But you could easily add shoes, armor. And it already has like all the details in it. Yep, I was thinking I was gonna hate this and I would just return it, but okay, so I've worn this like around the house a little bit since then, and these thumb holes, first of all, well, let's start with what I like. Like I said, I love how comfortable it is, and the details are nice. Like if I end up keeping this, which is, I don't know, I still don't know yet, then I would build onto this to make it armor more three-dimensional. Oh, you can't really see it. And things like that. But initially I thought, because it has, let me show you. Don't be weird, guys. There's nothing there. This, when it's initially off, looks like this. So it's very stretchy, and I thought that was unnecessary for me personally. And it actually also has it in the back. See how it's like, it's just very stretchy. Like I said, I thought that was going to be unnecessary for me personally. Wow, this wig is a lot and it itches. It's also not on all the way, so if you see my normal hair, sorry. Anyway, but I actually really like how stretchy it is. I got it in a size small, and it's actually kind of a little bit too big. That could be a pro or a con, depending on how you look at it. I'll try to get a full shot of the whole thing. It's good that there's kind of a little bit of extra fabric in the leg part in particular. Like there are these two areas on the side that I don't really understand why those are there. But it's kind of good that there's more material in the leg area, because if I wanted to add shoes, then I could easily use that excess material to pull it over the boot or the shoe. So that's kind of nice that there is that extra material there. The colors are great. It doesn't stretch so much that the color loses its opaqueness, I think is the word. And it's just generally very comfortable. What I don't like about it is these little things on the side here. And I did like these thumb holes, but the longer I wear them, the more uncomfortable they are. Yeah, kind of don't like that. I think that it's just too small. There's honestly not a lot that I don't like. It's kind of not what I would like to spend on a suit that I'm gonna have to spend more money on to make more accurate and to build like armor onto, but it's not bad for a base piece at all. Like $65 is cheaper than you would probably get it anywhere else. Quick little add on here. Sorry if the lighting changed. It's also really easy to get in and out of. It just has a simple zipper down the back, which is black, I believe, or maybe it's just seamless. What is it? You guys tell me what is it. Either way, really easy to get on. Probably the easiest suit I have to get in and out of. Another thing that's kind of off is this detail right here. I feel like it should be down further, but it's just not possible with the size. So that should be down here. It's not the worst detail in the world, but a little bit of a mishap there. And all of this is really nice. Love the fit of it, love the color, love how comfortable it is. I kind of don't like the extra fabric in the sides, and the thumb holes were kind of uncomfortable. But other than that, like, it's a pretty solid cosplay. Like I said, it's from Amazon. It's from the store, I think it's called Cosplay Life. I think they sell a couple other suits, like Spider-Man suits and anti-Gwenom or Gwenom suits that I'm kind of interested in. So if you guys want me to review some more of these Amazon suits, like this video, so that I know you want to see some more. But overall, I think I would highly recommend this. It comes in really quick. You can easily return it if it's the wrong size or you need to switch out your sizes, especially if you have Amazon Prime. Which, if you don't have Amazon Prime, what are you doing? And yeah, I don't know. I'm comfy. I did see a couple other cosplayers who had Mera suits. Hold on, I'll tell you. Okay, so Armored Heart Cosplay did a phenomenal Mera cosplay. She built up armor herself, which is incredible. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below, as well as the cosplayer. I think she goes by Stas Class, where she got patterns for a Mera build, and it's gorgeous. It's different from this suit, but I did see another suit that is the darker version of Mera's costume on Amazon. That one's a little bit pricier. That one is, I think, $9.85 to like $105. But Armored Heart Cosplay, I believe she says in her description that she bought her base piece off of Amazon. So highly recommend this, honestly. It's a great base piece. It's a cheaper option than most other places you're gonna get your suit from. It comes in quicker. You can switch out your sizes. The only downside is that you're gonna have to add on materials yourself, and you might have to alter if you're good at sewing. If you're not, then it's not that big of a deal, but you might have to alter some of the fabric because, at least on me, it's a little loose fitting and kind of sewn weird in some areas, but generally not that big of a deal. And I keep forgetting to do Cosplayer of the Week, but I'm going to, I know I already mentioned a couple cosplayers, but I'm going to say for Cosplayer of the Week, Miss Danny Cosplay, who does an incredible Mera cosplay and Wonder Woman and a couple other things, and I'll just show you. And I'll link her down below. So she's my Cosplayer of the Week. Hey girl. I also feel like I should be giving like a rating system for all these reviews I'm doing. Like, yeah, cups of coffee. 1 to 5 cups of coffee. So I'm gonna give this Mera cosplay a 4 out of 5 cups of coffee. But yeah, I guess that's it for this review. Like I said, it's really comfortable. I still don't know if I want to keep it or not. Amazon has really easy returns. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I should keep it? Do you think I should add on to it? I have so many other cosplay projects for next year, so we would just add on to that, but I think it'd be really easy to make armor for this, and then I would have a prop, and it's really comfortable and easy cosplay. Comment down below if you think that I should keep it, or tell me another character suit that I should buy and review for you guys, like Spider-Man or MJ, Mary Jane Watson, because I've been wanting to do like a punk MJ cosplay for a while. And yeah, that's it. Cheers guys, and I'll see you next time. And because I have to cosplay a new character anytime I see a movie trailer, I decided to get this Mera cosplay off of Amazon to let you know if they hold up, you know? Oh hey guys. Your name. Sorry. Aquaman trailers and a Lordy Jesus.